The Donner DDP-90 Digital Piano is designed with a modern, compact aesthetic, making it a great fit for smaller living spaces without compromising on quality. Its 88-key weighted keyboard features hammer action and an ivory-feel texture, offering an authentic playing experience that inspires beginners to develop their skills. The piano provides a dynamic and rich sound thanks to its high-quality acoustic grand piano sound samples and 128 polyphony, ensuring expressive performances. Despite its smaller size, the DDP-90 retains excellent sound quality and includes a slow-closing cover to protect both the keyboard and the player's hands. It offers versatile connectivity options, allowing users to connect to various devices such as PCs, tablets, and smartphones, making it suitable for modern digital integration. The meticulously calibrated sound of the DDP-90 delivers a warm and bright tonal character, enabling musicians to convey musical details and emotions effectively.